Did you know post-pandemic the weight loss industry is booming with bright prospects? Would you believe if I say that the market size measured by revenue of the weight loss industry stands at a huge $3.8 billion in 2022? Believe it or not, the global weight loss supplements market is expected to grow to $55.41 billion by 2026. And the overall health and fitness market size is over $470 billion. Any idea what these numbers show? It clearly denotes that many people are looking to lose weight, indulge in a diet program, read weight loss or health and fitness related content and guides, undergo slim courses, or even go for weight loss related info products, buy health supplements or weight loss products, get healthier and fitter. The Buy Now button to tap into the evergreen $470 billion weight loss market and start raking in moolah minus all the hard work. It's now or never.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike, the Mbadiwe.com, where I review IT products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and definitely your life to the next level. Today, I have another amazing done for you profit sites review from Venkata Ramana. This one is going live on the 23rd of January 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And this one, in a nutshell, is the new AI-powered app that creates fully monetized set and forget weight loss sites in 60 seconds flat. And this means you can have your weight loss sites. They are operational, ranked on Google, and you'll be able to get the traffic you need to make money online. If this is a product you are going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine, and you can grab a copy using this link or any of the other green links scattered all over this page. And when you click any of them, it's going to take you to the sales page where you can get a copy of this very software using this very button, and it has $4 discount. And with that said, I will also show you the amazing dashboard area for this one so that you will see exactly what you have in stock for you. Now let us review the sales page and see how this is structured to help you make money online, because it's all about you. Now, if this is a product you're going to require, like I said before, the link below in my description and first link will bring you to make that decision, and of course buy the product. Okay, so with that said, let us just take a look at the very sales page that I have before me and see what are some of the benefits Venkata Ramana is giving out for this one. It says it's going to help you create money-making websites in the hottest weight loss niche, works in only 3 easy point and clicks, and creates an amazing sites in very short time. And you have 100% self-updating website, no need to write any content because it's AI generated, and built-in content generator creates unique high-quality weight loss articles, and you have preloaded with thousands of weight loss articles, ebooks, videos, and more, and you have free bonuses worth $7,500, included inside this very opportunity. Okay, and you have no prior tech content writing or website design skills are required, and you have 30-day amazing money back guarantee. So that's exactly what you have here as what this product is going to do for you. If you want to create, choose to, because there are many niches you can actually make money on. You can make money on actually affiliate marketing. You can make money using weight loss, and you can make money creating courses online. So many things you can do online to make money, but this is exactly one of them. And this is actually a massive market as it is, because a lot of people want to lose weight, and this definitely is going to be fashioned out in a way that you have your site there ranked on Google, which will definitely help you get the clicks that you need, because people want to lose weight and get fit and live healthy, and they definitely do that with diet or weight loss. It can be keto, it can be anything. So that's why I like this very one. It's very simple, and you have just 3 steps to this one. Step 1 will give you getting instant access to the weight loss site tools, which is located at the dashboard area, which I'm going to show you later. And then of course you have step 2, set up your website with only a few simple mouse clicks, and then step 3, you are ready to profit weight loss. And the good thing is that within this weight loss, you will have your affiliate link embedded in some of the products and articles, videos, vectors, or whatever that's out there created by this very software done for you profit sites. Okay, so that's exactly what you have, and you'll be able to make up your mind when you get here. I'm not going to spend a lot of time here. Here are some of the very testimonials from look at my friend here already, and these are all the testimonials from people who have beta tested this very product. From this man in Katarangana, he's a 7-figure super vendor affiliate. Okay, so that's basically what you have, and let us see if we can see how much this costs on Fiverr and all the marketplaces where you can, get something like doing this very kind of site outsourced to freelancers. You see exactly what these are income proofs from Mbadiwe, and you'll be able to see the testimonials, and of course look at all the information you have on Fiverr, any Upwork, or any of the marketplaces where you rent services, okay, for whatever. And to create a website like this for weight loss, you have a starting price at $455, $355, depending on the level of the person, the freelancer in question. So, and when you see it like this, starting from 100, that means you could go as much as 1,000 and over 1,000 to create this, and you'll be able to do so according to the Katarangana, using this very product. So that's another one you may consider, because basically is a done for you business for you with a niche that is very massive as long as online money making is concerned. Of course, it has to do with you rendering services, because if you have quality services you want to render, definitely you have people who are going to come and patronize you. That's the beautiful thing about online marketing, and since it is digital product, you don't need to store it. It's not like perishable, it's always there in the cloud, and that's exactly what you have. And when the site is created on this very niche, definitely you will find pictures like this, articles like this, that will actually get very important information to your audience, and that's exactly what you have if you want to lose weight, and all the compliments and all the things that you can sell using this very site, and of course using the ClickBank platform or any of the other platforms, okay, as your source of product that you want to sell on this very site when it is created. So it's a very simple one. For that reason, we are going to leave it at this, and I think the vendor has certain bonuses for you, which we may not have the time to locate now, because you will have access to them at the dashboard when you eventually buy this product. Okay, so we'll leave it at that for now, and let us just take a look at my amazing bonus page and see what I have there for you. Now the question may be, what is done for you profit sites all about? It is a revolutionary 3-click system that creates self-updating weight loss websites that are loaded with weight loss articles, videos, ebooks, PLMs, and even more. And of course, this is exactly what I tried to explain before. Now let us look at the amazing pricing for this one. The front end goes for $17, and it will give you access to this very members area when you eventually buy this product, and you'll be able to have access to that. So, and you have discount of $4 like I showed you, that will pop up in the sales page when you arrive there, and you'll be able to use that very link to actually get a copy at as low as $13. Okay, so that's exactly, these are mountain of things that you're going to benefit from this one, just the front end. But then it's always advisable to go for the unlimited version, which is the OTA number 1, which goes for, I believe, $39 or $43 thereabout. Okay, and $43. And you have the done for you OTA number 2, which is the pro version. It goes for $39, and you have all these things to benefit from this very upgrade. And you have the upgrade number 3, OTA number 3, which is done for you site solution. It goes for $147, sorry. And then OTA number 4, which is the done for you traffic automation, it goes for $39. And you have the done for you profit sites weight loss agency and reseller, it goes for OTA number 5, and that's $97. And you have also OTA number 6, which is the done for you profit sites weight loss bundle, goes for $47. And you have all these as your own benefits for this one. You have 4-in-1 done for you weight loss size bundle suite is packed with splendidly amazing models with fabulous features, and all these are definitely going to help you according to Paramana, working 50,000 plus every month without facing issues, and you can create a money making store and tour sites, of course, in a single click. And it has 30-day money back guarantee in case you have any reason or without any reason you want to return this product after purchase. You'll be able to do so within 30 days, and that's exactly 1 month. Okay, with that said, let us see exactly the numbers area, and then see exactly what you have here. Here is the dashboard. Here you have your sites which you already created or you want to create. Here for demonstration purposes you have only one, and you have the banner ads, which are the articles and the banners you are going to have on the site, which will definitely help you attract clicks, that will help you definitely sell online, because it's all about selling something, and of course rendering service doing so. Now you have the contact, inquiry, leads, blogs, integration, traffic, 100 plus PLL articles, and you have the agency, and here you have the button for the training, which you will be able to have access. And here are the amazing bonuses that you have from the vendor. So basically I will put the link to this very demonstration area and dashboard area, the demo video of this product in action, on my description below, so that you will be able to have access to that. Now for that, let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. You know, affiliate marketing is the most lucrative online because you are basically a middleman, not having anything to do with inventories, with supplies and all that, because everything is digital. Okay, so that's exactly what you have here. You can have this very tutorial free of charge as my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2 will be the vault, the product vault, which has 17 amazing online training courses, and of course software products, 17 of them in one. You'll be able to have access to all of them. They are still selling a Water Plus account. And of course you have my bonus number 3, which is how to create free professional website in case you want to have your own gigs on Fiverr and be able to render these services to others at a cost. So that's exactly what you have there. And bonus number 4 will be how to rank any site on page number 1 in Google. So that means if you launch any site with this done for you profit site, you'll be able to have the knowledge to rank it at number 1 page on Google. Okay, and you have my bonus number 5, which is the last one, fortunately, and which is an automation system that is going to teach you how you can make up to 1,000 per day on autopilot automation system actually. And if you click here, like I told you, to take you to the sales page, where you click the button there, when you do, under your purchase history on my Water Plus account, you'll find a page like this that gives you access to this button, which gives you access to the product you're buying, and here you have access to the link that will give you my bonuses. Okay, and you have 4 days 12 hours to go on this one, because the product just launched. That means these very buttons are now currently active, and you can purchase it using any of this link by going to the sales page using any of these links on my bonus page. Okay, that's exactly what you have here. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you guys to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, it's goodbye, guys.